My students, how are you? We will solve a lot of questions about fraction and decimal number. Look at number 1. Look at here. Write a fraction and a decimal or each. Number 1, we have the shape. We colored 9 part of this. So in this example, we can write 9 over 10 or 90 over 100. We can write the fraction. It's a fraction, okay? We can convert to decimal number. 9 over 10 equal 19th, or 90 over 100, it's meaning 90 hundredths. So in this example about question number 1, we must write 19th. Okay, it's very easy. Okay, and what about question number 2? Question number 2, we colored. He colored to how many parts? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 over 10. He colored the half of this shape. 5 over 10 equals 0.5. 0.5. Question number 3. He colored 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 from hundreds. 4 over 100ths. He colored 4 parts from 100th part. It's meaning 400th. 400th. Okay. Number 4. How many? Look at here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. He colored 6 from 10. And what about this smallest part? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And he writes 7 from 100ths. So the result will be 67 part from 100. Okay, again we have 6 column or 6 volume here. 1, 2, 3, 4 vertex. Okay, 6 vertex and 7 part, small part. The result will be all 67 part. 67 part from 100. So we must write 67 hundredths. 67 hundredths. It's about question number 4. It's easy or not? Again? Okay, again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 60. It was 60 over 100 and 7 small part from 100. It will be 67 over 100ths. It's meaning 67 hundredths. 67 hundredths. And what about question number what? Number 5. Write as a decimal. Write as a decimal 2 over 10. It's meaning 2 tenths. 2 tenths. Okay, 2 tenths. 5 over 10. 5 over 10, we must put point after one digit. The result will be 5/10. 5/10. 5/10. What about 9 over 100? 900th. 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 6 over 100. It's meaning 600th. 600th. The point after two digit. And what about 17 over 100? It means what? 17 hundredths. 17 hundredths. 23 over 100. It's meaning 23 hundredths. 23 hundredths. Question 11. Compare by using more than or less than or equal to. Look at her. Question 11. 5/10 or 5/10, it's equal because we must equal parts here. 5 over 10, it's equal 50 over 100 by hundreds by multiplication by 10 numerator and numerator, so it will be equal to. And what about 0.06 and 0.6? We know if we equal part about 6 hundredths and 16ths, It will be 60 hundredths, but it was 600. 600. 6 over 100, and it was 60 over 100. It will be more than. Okay. It was question 12. And what about question 13? Look at here. Question 13. 0.9 19th and 9 over 10. 9 over 10 equal 19th. It will be equal. Okay. Question 14. 0.8 18th and 8 over 100. Who can solve it? We know 18th, it's meaning 8 over 10, and it was 8 over 100. So 8 over 10 more than 8 over 100. And we can solve this example another method. We know 18th and it was 8 over 100ths. We must put the point after 2 digits. We must write 0 here, 80.0. Then if we equal the part between 2 digits, here write 1 digit, 1 0 here, write 0 here. Okay, 18th equal 80 hundredths, so it will be more than. You can solve about this method or this method. Question 15. It was question 14. Okay, question 15. Write an equivalent decimal. 0.4 equal what? Equal 0.40 equal 0.400,000. Okay, question 16. 0.7 equal 0.70 hundredths equal 7 thousandths. Again, 17th equal 70 hundredths equal 700 thousandths. Question what? Question 17. 20 hundredths equal 2 tenths. We can cancel the 0. Okay, cancel 0 here. Question 18. 0.1 and 0 equal 0.1. Question 19. 0.3 equivalent to 0.3 and 0. So 3 tenths equal 30 hundredths. Question 20. 0.9 is equal to 0.90. 9 tenths equal 9 hundredths. Okay, it was a question about decimal. You must pay attention about all this example and solve it with your hand. Okay, don't use a calculator. Okay, goodbye my students.